Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto GPO mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the network and front camera from the board. Next, release the adhesive and then pull out the network and depth camera from the board. Next, pull out the logic board to take out the primary camera from the board. First, disconnect the antenna head and undo screw securing the board. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, flip the logic board and then pull out the network and primary camera from the board. Gently pull out the camera with adhesive. Next, secure the new primary camera to the board. Next, gently place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, secure the board by adding the screw. Next, connect the LCD plug and then connect the antenna head to the board. Next, connect the new depth camera to the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by securing 11 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. Make sure the fingerprint button is secured. And then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.